Hey everybody, so I just opened this package from Noctis Motus, and after I shut off the video I jumped up and went and grabbed my 13 thousandths DeForest diamond. And since I am a glutton for punishment, I'm gonna see if I can't pick this thing open, and we will see how it goes. So let me try to get you guys a half decent view of the Keyway here. Alright, oh, I didn't even grab a tension wrench or anything yet. What do I want to use? So that was the 1mm from the Mad Bob set, and it didn't fit. So let's see, the 40 thousandths. Nope. So I have in this, if you guys are wondering, these are the three of those curved ones are the Mad Bob, Mad Bob, Mad Bob. All six of those are the Mad Bob set. Then I have the Peterson pry bars 40 and 50, and then there's a Sparrows tension wrench, and then there's this one from the Dangerfield set that I got a long time ago. And it's not even fitting in there. Wow. Alright, so as much as I don't like, or I don't want to use bottom of the Keyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. So bottom of the Keyway, and we will feels like I got a little click out of 6 back there. That was a nice click out of 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. Got a little click out of 2. Little click out of 3 there. Actually, I think that might have been 4. Still nothing on 1. Got another little click out of 6, I think. This is not an easy Keyway to navigate around a camera for the first time. So I'm not getting, maybe I just can't get up high enough for something, but I'm gonna, let's see. Let me grab this number 4 and 18 and see if I can. Alright, that was another click out of 5, I believe. Awesome. I don't know what the heck I touched, but there she is. SOC Keyway. I'm gonna set that right there. Almost pulled it out of frame, and I don't have a key for this, so set it right there. I wasn't really prepared for even getting that thing open, but let's see what is inside of her. The follower, tweezers. She's putting up a fight. Some pretty stiff spring on there. Alright, so got the clip off. Can I get blood? Nope. Nope. Alright, so looks like I'm gonna need a shim too. Got a little half shim here. See if it'll do the trick. So I just want to bridge that gap. I have no idea how the heck that just worked, but let's see. They were all set down in there pretty good. Doesn't look like there's anything in the core there, but the proof's in the pudding, so let's see what's actually in. It's a little greasy. Oh, really? It's greasy, but it has like an old kind of smell to it. That is a serrated pin, or maybe it's a master wafer on it. Oh, master wafer. So there's another master wafer in. Master wafers in 1 and 2 so far. Got some more master wafers. I guess that's honestly, he said something about that in the email about it. Hopefully it didn't have too many master wafers, but honestly, it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, I guess it would have been a lot harder to pick if it didn't have all these master wafers in there. I would have had to raise those pins a whole lot higher, which is probably what I'll do whenever I put it back together. I'll just leave them out. And then there's master wafers in all 6, or all the chambers except for number 6 so far, at least. So again, nothing inside the core. Nope, nothing. But what I was getting at was a lock like that, I would expect it master locksmith keyway. I think that's what that's called, or master locksmith association is. I'm sure that they have they use these in pretty big systems. That's just a standard pin. It has like a line on it where you can see the half of the pins aged a little bit more or more oxidized. standard in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in number 6. Some pretty powerful springs there. Or well, they're that length, so they got pretty good tension on them there. There's my little baby half shim. So nothing inside the core either, which I wouldn't expect. But let's get a close-up on these pins. Alright, so I will be putting this back together with a lot less master wafers in it, and maybe mix up the pins, throw some security pins in there, make this a tougher little lock there. But thanks Noctis for this lock, and thanks everybody for watching. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.